Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Microsoft Office 2021 and whether or not we think you should upgrade. So we're not going to go into too much detail today. We're just going to go over some of the new features compared to the older versions and share our advice. So without further ado, let's begin. So my number one reason for why you should pick up Office 2021 is that it's a buy once, use forever product. Office 365 is a monthly subscription, and if you turn it off, you lose access to your programs. And for me, I would rather just pay for it, own it, and get it done with. And so whichever you prefer, that's up to you, but that's definitely how I like to do it. Now, a few other things that are nice about Office 2021. First of all, you get access to web and mobile versions. Second, there's a cleaner interface without any additional learning curve, which is really nice if you're coming from an older version of Office. Now, this is the first version of Office that you can buy and own that includes Microsoft Teams, which is fantastic. So now I'm going to quickly go over some of the new features that Office 2021 brings to the table. I think the biggest change in the programs is Excel. Excel has 9 new functions that are really going to add some efficiency in your workflow. If you think we should make a video explaining these functions and what they do and showing examples, be sure to let us know in the comment section below. Now, a couple other new features to Excel are autosave, which is very helpful, and sheet view. PowerPoint also comes with a handful of new features, including a countdown when you start recording. There's also a new option to show yourself on the screen when you're presenting. And there's other smaller new features that make PowerPoint a little bit better. And for Word, the 2 big improvements that I'd like to talk about are AI improvements for spelling and grammar. And the immersive reader now has an option where you can decide how many lines to focus on, which can actually be really helpful. And in Outlook, the instant search has been greatly improved. So we hope this helped you to understand some of the new additions in Office 2021 and why you might consider upgrading. And here's what we think about it. All right, so if you're currently running Office 2016, I would recommend upgrading to Office 2021 because you're not only going to benefit from all of the features I just went over, but 2019 also brought 6 new Excel functions. So if you're an Excel user, you could definitely benefit from having these features. Now, if you're currently running Office 2019, I think the decision is really up to you and whether or not you think you're going to use all these new features. So if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate a thumbs up on the video and hit that subscribe button down below to see more videos like this in the future. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.